few days, that's for sure. Of course, we had a pretty picture across the UK today in the north, so let's see what the headline is for this afternoon. It's cold. Genius. Even our little woolly friends here are having a group hug. But anyway, let's see how cold it's going to be for most of us. If you say not had the snow this afternoon, say across the Midlands, temperatures will still be struggling. We're only talking around about 3 or 4 degrees on the thermometer. But of course, if you're in the sunshine, out of the wind, even that doesn't feel too bad at all. Still a few flurries continuing through the afternoon across parts of the Pennines, maybe southwestern Scotland as well. The blue hue here across Scotland indicating the temperature's still around freezing, especially across the snow-covered fields of Scotland. Sunshine for Belfast with just a few showers in the north. And for Wales, again, a few sprinkles of rain here and there, but sunshine as well. The temperature's hovering around about 5 degrees or so, so a real nip in the air. Now, a nip in the air across the southwest of the country, but that's because we haven't got a lot of sunshine and it's raining. It'll stay damp here through the rest of the afternoon. And the same goes really for the southern counties and into the southeast. Not a desperate amount of rainfall, but that drizzly, unpleasant weather with the low grey skies. Now, as we go into the evening hours, it'll stay damp across the south of the UK, but really for most of us, it's going to be another very, very frosty night, especially in Scotland, in the Highlands, -10, but in most major towns and cities across Scotland around -4 or 5. The rest of us -3, even down into the London area, we'll probably see 0 degrees, but some frost, fog, that is freezing fog forming during the early hours of Wednesday, which means that first thing on Wednesday, it's going to be one of those really raw December starts to the day. In fact, the freezing fog, that is, may linger all through the afternoon in 1 or 2 spots, almost anywhere in the UK. But on balance, most of us will get the sunshine tomorrow. The winds won't be particularly strong, so that's a good thing. But still, on the thermometer, around +3 degrees. That's a typical temperature across northern England. And then all eyes Wednesday night into the early hours of Thursday. We're expecting more heavy snow. So let's see what happens from the rush hour Wednesday onwards. So we go to midnight into Thursday, and then early hours of Thursday all the way from northern England, all the way through Scotland, some heavy snow, gale force winds as well. So we're talking about blizzards, the Transpennine routes treacherous by the rush hour on Thursday. So be prepared if you're travelling with this part of the UK early on Thursday. And then by the time we get to the second half of the day, hopefully that wintry weather will be out of the way and we're left with some blustery showers. Pretty cold as well, around about +4 degrees Celsius. And beyond that, it still looks pretty cold, so certainly the wintry weather is not over yet.